Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your BMW X1 battery. First, open the hood and locate the designated positive and negative charging terminals. These are typically found under a red cap for positive and a ground point for negative. Connect the positive clamp from your battery charger to the positive terminal. Then, attach the negative clamp to the negative terminal. Ensure a secure connection before proceeding to the next step. Once the clamps are securely attached, plug your battery charger into a standard electrical outlet. Most modern chargers have different modes. Select the appropriate one for your BMW X1's battery type, usually AGM or lead-acid. Refer to your charger's manual if unsure. Allow the battery to charge completely. This process can take anywhere from a few hours to overnight, depending on the battery's discharge level and charger's output. After your BMW X1 battery is fully charged, it's crucial to disconnect everything safely. First, unplug the battery charger from the electrical outlet. Next, carefully remove the negative clamp from the negative battery terminal. Finally, remove the positive clamp from the positive battery terminal. Always follow this order to prevent sparks and ensure your safety. Close the hood, and your BMW X1 should be ready to go. To maintain your BMW X1 battery's health, regularly inspect the terminals for any signs of corrosion and keep them clean. Driving your vehicle frequently helps keep the battery charged through the alternator. If you store your car for extended periods, consider using a smart charger or trickle charger to prevent deep discharge. For more tips and great deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite mentioned, check the description below. A well-maintained battery ensures reliable starts and extends its lifespan significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.